To obtain working coupon codes for Amazon, there are two methods to consider. The first involves searching for item-specific coupon codes, while the second entails finding general coupon codes. On Amazon's homepage, a vouchers option is available, which, when clicked, displays various Amazon vouchers. These can be sorted by category or browsed through to find desirable deals. For instance, if you're in need of new shoes, you can click on the Shoes category to view current deals on footwear and accessories. Alternatively, signing up for Amazon with your email address and opting into their mailing list can also yield coupon codes, as Amazon often sends exclusive codes to their subscribers. Although some codes may have expiration dates, such as one that offered £5 off a £15 order. Regularly receiving emails from Amazon increases the likelihood of obtaining usable coupons for future purchases.